Hi, I'm Jeremy with Osborne Wood Products. Welcome to another Osborne Insider. It's where you're going to be able to get the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. Today I'm really happy to be able to share with you details about our new Trestle bases, both our dining and bench height. This is a matching set that's going to make it super easy to create a beautiful dining set. The Brayer and Trestle table base is 28.5 inches tall, it's 24 inches wide. This profile is going to look great in any home. It features dramatic carved edges that set it apart from other designs. This dining height base is part 378872. We also have the Brayer and Trestle bench base. It's sold as a set of two. It features the same design matching this dining base. This is meant for a bench build. It's 16 inches tall, 14 inches wide. You can find that on our website, part number 378864. Both of these designs are offered in rubber wood, which is a durable and versatile wood. It can be painted or stained depending on your preference and how you'd like to install those. These pedestals are going to be sanded, ready for finishing when you receive them. Thank you for joining me today for this Osborne Insider. If you would like to stay up to date on our newest content, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.